Hi, I'm Dr. Jeff Edwards. I'm your professor for this class on couples and family therapy. And I thought I'd give you a little introduction to what this class is going to be like and how it's going to work. I don't know how many of you ever been in a class that's a hybrid class where a lot of the work is done online, and then weekends are done, 2 weekends where we'll be getting together and doing a lot of activities and learning further about what couple and family therapy is about. But what you're going to be required to do is do a lot of reading over the course of the 7.5 weeks, and also to do a lot of posting. The syllabus that I've posted has a rubric for what I expect of your posting and how you should do that. And I will probably give you 5 or 6 questions and ask you to comment or to specify answers to 3 of the 5 questions or something like that. And some will be global. And then you are also required to come back at a later time and comment on your colleagues' postings. In any case, I thought I'd introduce you to the first series of learnings that you're going to have. I know that this is over the 4th of July weekend, and that's going to make it difficult for people, but I will expect that at least by next Tuesday that you will have posted answers to the questions, and that we'll start off a whole new series. This week, what you'll be learning about is the beginning of family counseling, couple counseling. And you'll be using 2 extremely good texts that I've used for years. First one is The Essentials of Family Therapy by Mike Nichols. It used to be written by Nichols and Schwartz, and Schwartz is doing all kinds of other things here in the Chicagoland area. And we'll talk about Dick Schwartz later on. He's kind of an interesting fellow. This is a synthesis of all the best of family therapy, and it's really, really a good book. So you'll be reading chapters 1, 2, and 3, which basically gives you the foundations of family therapy, the evolution of family therapy, and the basic skills of what goes on in family therapy, basic techniques of family therapy. And we'll spend a lot of time when we get together to practice those and to talk about those. So that's the basis of chapters 1, 2, and 3 in the Nichols book, The Essentials of Family Therapy. The other book that you're going to be using is Normal Family Process. And because this is a class about more than family therapy, it's also a class about to help you understand systems thinking, to help you understand the dynamics of families these days. Froma Walsh, who was my former supervisor when I was at Northwestern. She's now at the University of Chicago. Actually, she's now retired from the University of Chicago. She wrote a book called Normal Family Process, in which she took a look at the various kinds of families that are out there, from gay and lesbian families to single parent families and all sorts of things like that. It's a very interesting text. The first chapter that you're required to read for this week is a chapter that's called The Changing Paradigms in Changing Families in a Changing World. And it really gives you an overview of how families have changed over the years. Most of us, or a lot of us anyway, have a perspective on families as being sort of like Leave It to Beaver. And that's not a very good model of how families are. So you'll read these 4 chapters over this week, hopefully, and you will then comment on them as you do on the discussion board, and we'll be off and running. If you have any questions, you have my cell phone number that's on the syllabus. You also have my email number or email account. You can email me there. If you know and see anybody that is not posting, and you know them, you probably should let them know that they need to do this. Argosy is really, really, really particular about students beginning classes on time. And in fact, I will be probably getting by next Tuesday a notice asking that that if you haven't been in class, that I need to notify them about that. In any case, I'm looking forward to meeting all of you. I'm looking forward to teaching this class to you, and I'm really enjoying the fact that it's a short summer, 7.5 weeks, which is kind of nice for all of us. So I hope that that helps you understand what's going on. And if you have any questions, again, feel free to call me or to email me. I'm looking forward to meeting you. Have a great day. Bye.